Sonic fans, are you ready for an action-packed challenge? I'm throwing 50 fun and crazy choices at you. Let's see if you can make the right call. Drop your answers in the comments, and let's see who's Team Sonic and who's Team Shadow. Enjoy! Would you rather compete against Sonic or challenge Shadow? Sonic 3 speed run or go for the highest score? Worst situation, trapped in the special zone or stuck in the death egg zone? Step into legendary shoes, rock Sonic's speedy kicks, or Shadow's edgy sneakers? If you had a superpower, would you run at Sonic speed or teleport anywhere instantly? Would you rather turn into Hypersonic or Hyper Knuckles? Which one you pick? Like this video or subscribe to Coco Quiz. Who do you play as, Sonic or Tails? Do you prefer to battle in the Doomsday Zone or Lava Reef Zone? Play Sonic 3 with no rings or with no checkpoints? Ride the Eggmobile or Tornado with Sonic? You need a sidekick. Do you prefer an echidna buddy or a fox? Would you rather be Sonic game tester or Sonic game voice actor? Which ride suits your style? Skateboard like a pro or zoom around on rollerblades? Would you create portals with rings or become a powerful fighter? Time to grab some collectibles. Are you choosing a Sonic action figure or a Shadow action figure? Who's your flight buddy? Soar the skies with Tails or take off with Rouge? Battle Royale. Face a giant Eggman robot or a fleet of badniks. Would you rather fly the tornado or race a Ducati? You get to pick your dream home, a tropical island paradise or a futuristic space station. Would you rather team up with Amy Rose or Maria Robotnik? Choose your next battle. Fight against Robotnik or take on Black Doom. Would you rather become supersonic or transform into Super Shadow? What fits your vibe? Energetic mornings or cool, mysterious nights? Let's hit the nostalgia button. Classic Sonic games or modern Sonic adventures? Which hedgehog do you want to meet? A cute friendly or an angry battle ready? Own a next-gen console or have the ultimate gaming setup? If you needed backup, who would you call? Knuckles the Echidna or Omega the Powerhouse? It's time to personalize your phone. Sonic-themed phone case or the Shadow-themed one? A Sonic notebook or a Shadow notebook? Dart launcher or gel blaster fight? Would you rather dye your entire hair one color or just add some highlights? Do you prefer regular Pepsi or Pepsi Black? What's your personality? Fun and carefree, or serious and focused? Sweet tooth alert, candy or cookie? How do you play? Just for fun or purely for competition? Which cap would you rather wear, Sonic or Shadow? Where's your ideal home? A peaceful small town or a buzzing big city? Would you rather pop music beats or hard-hitting rock anthems? Time to throw a party. Sonic-themed celebration or Shadow Style Bash? Would you rather be loved by everyone or feared by all? Master a new move spin dash or homing attack? Would you rather collect 100 rings or defeat 10 enemies in a row? Pick your adventure. Run through Green Hill Zone or Ice Cap Zone. Face a mechanical menace, Battle Metal Sonic, or Mecha Knuckles. Would you rather infinite invincibility stars or unlimited speed shoes? Pick your special abilities. Glide like Knuckles or climb walls like Knuckles. A Chaos Emerald or a Master Emerald Shard? Special power-up. Do you pick fire or electric shield? Final question. Do you prefer to be the ultimate hero or embrace the life of an anti-hero? Pick your next challenge here. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment your picks. See you soon!